How to cancel pending TikTok shop orders. You can cancel a TikTok shop order directly through the app as long as the seller hasn't updated its status to ready to ship or shipped. What you need is to cancel your order, open a TikTok app onto your device, after which go to the profile from the bottom right, and there tap the menu from the top right hand side corner, and this is where you're going to see the order section, or you could just go to settings and privacy, and there you will be able to find orders. Now you have to find a specific pending order you want to cancel and tap on it to view your order details. Look for the cancel or cancel order button at the bottom of the screen, and if this button is missing, the order may already be processed for shipping as well. All you need to do is next give a reason for your cancellation, and you want to change your mind, whatever you want to do, that you just want to submit it, and this way you're supposed to cancel your order. And if it has been already shipped or ready to ship, then you just want to make sure to contact support team or the seller itself, and they will be able to help you out. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.